Today we're going to be using the Mist Interior Detailer from Turtle Wax. Now the way that I like to use this is I spray it on the towel, then hit the surface. This is a great option. It offers protection, some deodorizing properties, and it's very easy to use. And you can use it on glass, so it's pretty much safe on everything.
Blur of yellow brushes and towels, what you've seen is me dusting vents, little nooks and crannies, cracks and crevices, as I maintain the interior of this vehicle. As you can see, clean or not, every surface gets touched.